Days away from the NBC Connecticut Health and Wellness Festival, and one of the organizations taking part this year is the Hospital for Special Care in New Britain. It's offering free screenings for concussions, especially for people who may have experienced one in the past, maybe playing sports, but never did anything about it. It's a critical screening the hospital also uses to help veterans returning from Iraq or Afghanistan.
I'm a little more tired and a little more edgy, at least according to all my friends. So I would just click each of those.
Dr. John Stanwood, Chief of Psychology at the Hospital for Special Care, demonstrates the simple questionnaire designed to help servicemen and women realize that the little ways they may be feeling off could be a sign of a serious problem, a mild head injury.
A lot of the men and women coming back just wanted to be back. They didn't want to think about it, didn't want to deal with it. And so we know statistically a fair number of folks probably had a mild head injury while they were over there. Definitely were exposed to situations that could have resulted in a mild head injury, but it wasn't getting much attention.
To make it easier for service members, the hospital posted the questionnaire online. It's as simple as clicking on answers and printing.
If they had questions, they could contact us here at the Hospital for Special Care. But there's a variety of resources, so they can kind of pick and choose what they're comfortable in doing. If you could catch it early, it would keep it from snowballing into something much more major and much more disruptive for their lives.
While serving in war is a special case, a similar questionnaire can help civilians determine if something that happened in everyday life could have caused a concussion or mild brain injury.
Do you remember ever having been knocked out or got your bell rung or just being really dazed after some event and not sure?
That dazed feeling could also be accompanied by mild memory issues, feeling a little more fatigued, heaving headaches, or noticing a bit of change in your personality. Dr. Stanwood points out these symptoms can also result from other problems, so asking the right questions, like the ones in this screening, can help raise a red flag or, just as importantly, rule out a brain injury.
So part of this is to look at these and let people know that, you know, at least we can tell you that it's not this. Okay, so you can go elsewhere and check into other things, but at least you know it's not like a persistent problem with your head.
And be sure to join us this Saturday and Sunday from 10 to 5 for the NBC Connecticut Health and Wellness Festival. We'll be at the Convention Center. You will find plenty of health screenings, medical advice from doctors, and flu shots. It is all free once again at the Convention Center in Hartford. We certainly hope to see you there.